So I'm kind of excited to hang out with everyone. I just wanted to show you our really fun brand new Pandtastic card kit that just went live on Wednesday. There's very limited supply. I think there's a couple left, but I wanted to give you a peek because we created these cards together. So it's a little bit of inspiration for a brand new kit. So I'll show you the cards first and then I'll talk about what is included in it. So we made this fun card, and it was just like making rainbow pandas, because I didn't think you'd want to sit here and watch me make a bunch of cards coloring the same image over and over again. So I thought that was really fun. And then this is just using the Messy Desk stencil from Heffy Doodle. The stamp set also is from Heffy Doodle as well. And then we use the beautiful pattern papers that come with the kit. So I love, my favorite kind of go-to is using ink blending. These are oxide inks. Or I like to sometimes grab like coordinating pattern paper and just kind of create a scene. And then this is the Create word die that comes in the kit as well. So there's so many fun options. Like you can kind of turn this into like a birthday card, like a thinking of you card, kind of anything kind of works, which I love. Pandas are awesome. And then this is the other card we created. Oh, actually, no, we didn't create this one live. I did this one afterwards because I was kind of inspired by the new Lawn Fawn strips. This isn't Lawn Fawn. This is actually Heffy Doodle strips I had for my stash. But I thought of it and a little light bulb went off. I was like, oh, let's try it. I had to overlap. It's not meant to be like covering the whole card. So it's not like the Lawn Fawn one is awesome because it's measured exactly. But I kind of had to like play around with it a little bit. But I wanted to just show off like the different pattern paper you get. So you get like 12 sheets of 6x6 pattern paper this is the Photoplay Crafting with My Nomi line. So I thought it paired really nicely with the panda set. So that's cute. And then this actually is from Avriel. It just got loaded up in the shop too. I have had this die set. It kind of cuts all four out together. And I've had this one in my stash for a really long time. And then, so I cut it out and then I kind of ended up with these. So these are living on my desk to see if they go with anything in the future, because I like to, like when I'm creating, I'll take something and kind of keep it aside because it's really pretty. It's kind of like your own ephemera. So that's kind of like 3 different ideas for the card kit. And then the card kit comes with some Hero Arts cardstock, some alcohol-friendly cardstock, some card bases, sequins, the Studio Katya Summer Mix sequins, and the pattern paper again, of course. So it's super fun. It comes jam-packed with everything you need to kind of get you started if you're kind of like you need a little bit of inspiration, and then you can kind of, because you would have the stamp set. So this is the look at the stamp set. And I also wanted to point out too that it has the little U for color. So Heffy Doodle is a UK company. We just brought them in really recently because I've worked for Heffy Doodle in the past and I love them. And I thought everyone would love them too because they're super cute and the quality of the stamps are amazing. And bonus, we get to have a color spelt the Canadian or British way, so that's awesome. And then this is the little word die, kind of what it looks like in the wild, and then this is what it creates. And then here's the Messy Desk stencil, which I think is probably like my #1 favorite stencil of the moment. It's hard to have a #1 all the time because every time new products are released, it's like, oh, that's my new favorite. But we used this part on a card a couple weeks ago for an Avriel card, and then this is just here. This is what the result of using it for here. So awesome. I think the kit is jam-packed. I love curating it, and I just wanted to kind of show everyone and let you know that there's a few left.